up, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning into another video of As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Now, in this video, we'll actually be going into a deeper dive with our Ayurveda Mango Butter. We'll be applying it to our hair with a special gel. Alright guys, if you have not seen part 1 to this video where I show you how to make my homemade DIY Ayurveda whipped mango butter, go ahead and check it out. I'll have it linked right up here so you can see how we made this, and then you're going to want to come back to this video so you can watch how I apply this to my hair and what gel to pair this with. Before we get started with that, I do just want to go over a few things that I used in the shower. Guys, since we're talking about mango butter, why not use the mango butter shampoo and conditioner? This comes from Black & Noble. It's a black owned business right here in Philadelphia, and you can see all of the ingredients that they have in the product is right here. These products are bomb. I cannot get enough of them. They're affordable, they're organic, they're black owned. Like, I cannot get enough of these products. I can read every ingredient that's in here. Seriously, you guys are going to want to go check out their website and look. They have a ton of stuff for your hair, for your skin, all things like that. So you guys are going to want to check this out. I'll have these linked in the description so you can go on their website and look at them, and they do ship as well, so go check them out. That's what I use as my shampoo and my conditioner. And also, I use the Rice Water Collection clay mask. Y'all, I am in love with this clay mask. Seriously, this is it right here, guys. I really enjoyed this. It just takes to my hair so well. This is actually the second time I used it. I can get about one more good use out of it until I'm gonna have to repurchase it. It smells good. It works amazing. I love when I apply the water after I'm done applying the mask. I'll apply water on top and it just glides through my hair so effortlessly. I definitely would highly recommend you guys check out the Mael Rice Water Collection. Their deep conditioner clay mask is the bomb. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, what I used in the shower, we're just going to go ahead and hop right on into it. Let me take my hair out for you guys. Woo! Okay. Yes, so I do keep a plastic baggie on my hair just to make sure that all the moisture remains in my hair. Sometimes it can get a little dry if I don't do that, so I always try to just like keep the moisture in by putting a plastic bag on, but this is my hair right out of the shower. Alright, so we'll be pairing the whipped Ayurveda Mango Butter with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and, oh gosh, Mafaru oil? What is Mafaru? Y'all know I be looking stuff up. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today though. This is Hydrate and Design Max Hold Gel by Shea Moisture. I've never used this product before. It does come with a lid. That's pretty cool. So looks like I have to go in and take this off. So I'm just gonna take the lid off. Hopefully it doesn't like spill out. Okay. Ooh, it smells good. So here's the product right here that we'll be pairing our mango butter with. A good indicator to see if products are going to pair well is you take a little bit of each product. Here's our whipped mango butter right here. Smells heavenly. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait for you guys to watch the video, or if you already did, comment below and tell me your thoughts on this product. But to see if products pair well together before you put them on your hair, we're going to do the patch test. All I'm going to do is just take a little bit of the mango butter and put it on the back of my hand, and also take a little bit of the gel and apply that to the back of my hand as well. And then you see how it's already melting? Oh my goodness. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start to rub those two products in together and see if they work. Now you can tell that they work because they're rubbing in clear. There's nothing on my hand. It's a nice feeling. Like, these products will definitely work well together, so we can go ahead and use them. If the products did not pair well together, it would be white or clumpy, or you could just tell like, hey, maybe I should not be using this on my hair. But because they dry clear and they pair well together, we can go ahead and use this on our hair. Alright guys, so I did scoot up a little bit because you know I like to be all up close and personal in your business. So we are going to go ahead and just part my hair. Found the rat tail comb. I'm going to try to do a U part. Okay, that looks good. So I'm just going to quickly part this out the way. Alright, so this is the side that we're going to work with first. We're just going to go ahead and do a wash and go. so here's the first section right here. I'm gonna do the Ayurveda Mango Butter first. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to take a little bit. Now guys, I did store this in the refrigerator. I took it out 30 minutes before I wanted to use it, just so it can get a little bit soft. Guys, this is butter. It's butter. It will melt. Alright guys, so this is for the first section of hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and rub that in to my hand so it can start melting down, and then we're gonna go ahead and just apply it to the hair. It's just about all melted. Ooh, we got some butter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply that to my hair. Smells so good, so soft. Oh my goodness. If you guys have not seen the video, there's probably like 50 different oils in here if I can guess, so definitely go check it out. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this gel. Here's the product right here. Goopy. We'll see what we can do, y'all. We gonna see. I don't know. But it clumped. It's clumping. And when my hair clumps together, I don't really comb through it or anything, because if I do, it just gets poofy again. So I just let the clumps happen naturally and I leave them alone. Some nice defined clumps, and that's what this gel is giving us so far. All right, let's keep moving. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take some more of this Ayurveda Mango Butter. So here's the next little guy I'm taking right here. Just rubbing it right on my hands. It immediately melts, guys. Like, it immediately melts. So go ahead and pop that on that section. Wow, this is great. And then we're gonna just take a little bit of the gel. It's pretty goopy. Apply that right on, and we're just gonna apply it right on top. So far, the gel is doing a really good job at clumping my curls. I really hope that this gel doesn't flake on me.
You go.
Alright guys, so I am back and my hair is done. I went ahead and applied the whipped Ayurveda Mango Butter, and I also topped it off with the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Design Max Hold. So these are the two bad boys that I have in my hair for my wash and go. I don't know, I always get so nervous when it comes to this part because I have to let it dry. I don't know if it's gonna flake, I don't know if it's gonna get poofy, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. We shall see. I'm nervous, but this is my hair and the product is applied. It is like wet, it needs to dry. I think I'm gonna go ahead and sit under a hooded dryer so I can just speed up the drying process. And I also like how my hair turns out when I sit under a hooded dryer doing wash and goes. It just turns out a little bit more different than as opposed if I would go to bed with my hair wet and just let it dry all day. It would be a little bit more flatter, but if I allow it to sit in a hooded dryer, then my hair will be a little bit more voluminous. I'm gonna go ahead and sit under a hooded dryer for a little while just until it gets dry, and then I'll probably just head to bed, and I will catch you guys when it's dry so you can see the final results. Are you guys ready? Because I am so ready to see this. I'm so excited. So I'll see you guys soon. What's up guys? So I am back like I never left. I'm not gonna lie, it's been about 2 days since I let my hair dry, and boy oh boy am I loving the results. Guys, here is my Ayurveda whipped mango butter right here. I'm so happy I got the chance to use it. Just look at the definition in my hair.
Paris, I won't let you go.
So we paired these bad boys together, and guys, I just want to lick it. It looks so good. This was lit, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so happy I got the chance to try this out. This is just like the perfect mixture right here. If you guys want to learn more about this mango butter, you can go ahead and check out the details below. I will have another video linked on how exactly I made this. It was super simple. You don't need a lot of ingredients or a lot of time, and your hair is going to love you. Make sure you store this in the refrigerator during summer days because it does melt. It is a butter. Guys, I'm so happy you got the chance to check me out with my homemade Ayurveda whipped mango butter. If you guys like what you saw, please like, subscribe, and share. We are popping over here. Also, if you did like the Ayurveda mango butter and you're going to make your own butter or some type of variation of it, leave a comment below and just let me know. I love inspiring people. That's why I'm here to help you grow your hair. So if you guys like this video, again, please like, subscribe, and share. But without further ado, we are out of here. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey as I continue to make natural hair care products for you guys. I'm going to help you as best as I can to let you guys know what I'm doing to let my hair grow so you can try it in your very own home too. But without further ado, my name is Aaliyah. This is As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Paris, I won't let you go.